Welcome back to the farm. We've got 2 Case IH combines going now. We went over to Oregon and picked up what we call the partnership combine. One we own half and half, and some farmers who cut early over there. So that's what we're driving here. It's also a 2020 8250 with a Hilco leveler with a 45-foot Macdon flex draper, just like our other one. So they pair up pretty good in the field. My brother's running the other one over there. We're just cutting winter wheat. We actually are wrapping up week 3 at this point of wheat harvest. A couple more weeks to go and then we'll be getting into the canola and beans. So see a couple of semi trucks over there. One just got a load, be leaving. The other one just arrived. The bank out's going to come around and pick us up again because my brother and I are each at 3/4 plus. And we're just keeping busy out there. So we're gonna try some more GoPro footage, and hopefully this will be a fun video. Over here. Well, the sun has set on another harvest day, and we've got a spot disced up, so it's a safe place to leave equipment for the night in case of any fires. The 2 combines ready to be serviced in the morning, the bank out, and it's time for us to go home. I see that it's not the harvest moon, but the moon is out. So please remember to like and subscribe.